Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in PRMI mortgage account online. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is enter this link myloan.primres.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of PRMI Mortgage. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. All you have to do is enter your email and password. Click on the field of email and enter the email over here. Make sure to enter the valid email. Now click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have any trouble logging in, click on this option trouble signing in and your trouble can be fixed. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen and you'll be signed in to your account. So that is how you log in PRMI mortgage account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.